How to fix not registered on network for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, launch your settings application from your device. Now here you have to tap on connections. As you do so, tap on mobile networks. And here, if you have two SIM in your device, you will see network mode SIM 1 and network mode SIM 2. Now, in order to fix it, tap on to SIM 1, then make sure that is enabled on Auto Connect. Make sure the same thing for your SIM 2. Once you do so, go back. Come back to the home page of your settings, then scroll below and tap on General Management. Now at this page, you have to tap on Reset. Under Reset, you will see Reset Mobile Network Settings. Tap onto it. Then tap on Reset Settings. Then lastly, you have to draw your pattern or enter your PIN and just leave it to reset your network settings. Once you do all that, restart your device and that will definitely fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.